Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use invisible filter on Snapchat. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step is you need to update your Snapchat and search Snapchat in Play Store and update Snapchat. Once you update Snapchat, you simply need to go and open Snapchat application, and then you need to click on to your profile on the search icon in the top left and search here invisible. Okay, and here is the effect. So if you want to use it, you simply need to use that effect by clicking on this icon. So by following these steps, you can easily use invisible filter on Snapchat. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.